So my name is Honey Farmer and this is my Prompt 1 video. This is me teaching one of my students about regrouping addition. So in my parish or district, I'm not allowed to video my students, so the videos will be on me, but you can hear my student working in the background, and I have attached some of their work in the artifact section, but I hope you enjoy. Okay. So we have 57 plus 39. What place do we need to start in? Is the ones. Can you tell me which numbers in the ones? Is it going to be 7 or is it going to be 5? 7. Okay, so we're going to start in the ones, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do this because that helps me out, all right? So how many ones do I need to put next to my 7? It's not a trick question, buddy. 7. So I'll go ahead and put 7. Can you count for me? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and then how many do I need for down here? 9. No, all right, let's go ahead and count 9 out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, do you see? Do we have a problem yet? All right, let me ask this a different way. How many can we have in our ones place? What is our biggest number we can have? A 9. How many do we have of these? Do you think more or less than 9? More. All right. So first off, let's count and see how many, okay? So we already know this is 7, so we're just going to say 7. And we're going to keep counting up. So 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15. How many do we have? What's the last one? 16. All right. So you have 16. Can we put 16s in the ones place? No. All right. So, remember our mat that I'll show you how to use in a little bit, okay? We're going to re-go over that. But, we need to divide this, all right? So, our 1, where's it going to go? The 1's going to stay in the 1's place. So, our 6 is going to stay in this 1's place, all right? But what am I going to do with my 10? Yep, we're going to have to move it over, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and put the 1, but I'm going to go ahead and take 10 of these, okay? So this is 9, and there's my 10. So I'm going to go ahead and give this an extra one, okay? All right. How many do I need for here? 5 what? 5 tens, thank you. All right, I want you to count for me as I put them up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, how many do I need for the next one? 3 what? 3 10. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now that we see this, what do you think is the easiest way for us to do this? Add them. We can add them, but we put it right here in our visuals. So do you think we can count those as well? Yeah. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so I'm going to put that down here. So what is our answer? 9, 6. It's not 9, 6. This represents a 10, all right? All right, so Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, all right, well, you said 90. That's how we say it, okay? We're not gonna say 9 and 6. It's 90. Make sure you're on this side, buddy, okay? All right. So this is our plus sign. All right, I know we have this other side, but it's subtraction, so we're not gonna do that today, okay? So go ahead and just out of your head, all right? So we're here, okay? So my first thing is I'm gonna do these by tens and ones, all right? So 24, what's gonna go in my ones place? 24, what's gonna go in the ones place? 4. All right, go ahead and write the 4, and then what's gonna go in our tens place? 20, but what number? So we're not gonna write 2 and a 0. What are we gonna write? 2, and it's gonna represent our 2 tens, okay? And then on this bottom part, all right, so yours should all look like this, all right? So our next one is 27, so we're adding 27 to it. All right, so what are we gonna put in our tens place on this one? 2, thank you. All right, and then what are we gonna add in our ones place? 27. 7, go ahead and write 7. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to use this, all right? So what's 4 plus 7? Do you wanna use your blocks, buddy? Okay. What is 4 plus 7? 11. Can I put 11 in this ones place? No, because it's only built for one number and 2 doesn't fit. What is the biggest number I can have in that space?
9.
9. All right, so go ahead and write 11 over here, and I'll show you how to use this mat, okay? All right, so this one, it's in the ones place. So it's going to travel all the way down into our one spot. All right, so go ahead and put that. All right, but this one, it represents a 10. It's too powerful to be in that one spot, okay? So we're just going to have to carry him over and put him in our 10 spot, all right? All right, so this is the part where you're going to have to do 3 numbers, okay? So what I like to do is break it up and do those 2 first, all right? So what's 1 plus 2?
2.
Buddy, I know you see that 2, but I need you to do 1 plus 2.
3.
3. All right. So go ahead and write a 3 off to the side. All right. So we see our 3. So now, what is 3 plus 2? You already have your 3 there, so you just add 2 more blocks, okay?
1, 2, 3, 5.
5. All right. Go ahead and put it at the bottom. All right. And there's your answer, okay?